Symptoms and signs of a bad petrol engine. Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel, guys. Today, we're going to be talking about a topic that can be a real pain in the neck: bad petrol engines. If you're noticing any strange symptoms with your car, it might be time to pay attention. So, let's dive into some of the common signs that your petrol engine might be on its last legs. Performance issues, feeling like your car is sluggish or struggling to accelerate. Engine shaking or vibrating while idling, stalling out for no reason. Using more fuel than usual, noise and vibration. That metallic knocking or pinging sound coming from under the hood. Hissing or whistling noises, excessive vibration. Visual cues, check engine light. Smoke coming from the exhaust, fluid leaks, burning smell. Other symptoms: overheating, misfiring, strange noises like grinding or squealing. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, don't ignore them. A bad petrol engine can lead to more serious problems and expensive repairs. So get your car checked out by a mechanic as soon as possible. And that's it for today, folks. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more car maintenance tips. See you next time.